Alright guys, today I'm going to teach you a little bit on how to save some money. A car was at the dealership back in July, just getting regular maintenance done in it. Getting ready to go on a big trip, so I want to get it checked out, inspected, whatever you want to call it. Went fine. The only thing they suggested that I get my cabin air filter changed. I knew they were going to do that. They do it all the time. But they want like $35, something like that anyway, to put it in. It's not terrible, but it's like, okay, it's $35, and I know in a year you're going to tell me to replace it again. No, so I turned it down. Obviously, it's September now. I've been putting it off for a while. Finally, I went ahead and bought a replacement cabin air filter. Many of you may know that, yeah, you can get a K&N air filter, just like the K&N air intake I put on the car. I never have to buy another air filter. Same concept goes with the cabin air filters. Never have to buy another one. I don't want to say they're pricey. They're only, it was like $41. It was like $44 after tax, something like that. Not bad, but especially if I have to simply never buy another cabin air filter for the life of this vehicle. I'm okay. All I have to do is maybe take it out, clean it out, recharge it, maybe once a year. We'll even see if it needs it that often. But I'm going to show you what it is that I bought, show you how to put it in, and yeah, it's about 20 more bucks than, yeah, 10, 20 bucks, depending on what the dealership wants to charge you for the K&N. But it's super simple to put in, depending on how much garbage you have in your glove box. I don't even know what I have in there. Let's go find out. Alright guys, so this is what I purchased. Now I have a 2015 Accord. The part number for this guy is a VF2001. That's it. It's pretty simple. It is washable, just like the air intake filters. Let's go put it in. Okay. First off, open your glove box. Pretty simple. And you take the thing out. All kinds of stuff in here. Bag. Knife. This. Okay. Empty. Minus it being a little dusty and dirty. Let's fix that while we're in there. I don't like dirty cars. Okay. So, how you replace this, you have the glove box open, and right here, push this down. You're going to hear it snap and release. We're going to get that out of the way, okay? Just like that. Now, these sides, it's super simple. You're going to pull inward. You can see the little latch back there, and then there as well. That drops down. Right here, got a clip right there. And a clip right here. Showing you arrows to push in. Put my phone right here real quick. And I almost dropped my phone. Okay. That's it. Took it out. That's the cover. There's the air filter. As you can see, it shows you airflow direction. Very important, because I'm assuming on the Canon, it shows the same damn thing. Alright, so all I'm going to do, reach in here. Pull this out. And shut the air off. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see. That is dirty. Got some vegetation in there, bunch of dust. I've not had to replace this thing yet. This is the first time I'm doing it. Was it replaced before I got it? Okay, that's nice. I don't know. I'm sure I can ask the dealership to look it up for me, but yeah. So all I'm doing, I can't get my camera in there, my phone, but if you stick your hand in there straight down, you will feel the blower motor. Good idea, spin it around a little bit, make sure there's nothing weird in there, because that one piece did fall down in there, look like a... Alright, so, grab the K&N. Gee. And I would definitely put that sticker on the inside of the glove box. In case you happen to take it to the dealership or you sell the car, somebody replaces it, they're spending money unnecessarily. So definitely had to hear that. So I'm going to open this up, show you sliding it back in, and we'll call it a day. We'll be back. Alright, so I broke out the directions just to make sure, because there was no airflow direction arrow on the filter at all. I was like, okay. So I read the directions. Apparently the directions state they only fit in one direction. It will not fit otherwise. So I went ahead and tried. So we're good. Alright, we're going to go ahead and slide this bad boy in. Start breathing some fresh air. Now, the filter I took out of here, I'm assuming it was a Honda filter. It was just paper. Now the sides of this thing are rubber. You have to kind of shimmy it in and in. In my opinion, it's going to make a much better seal. So, no worries there. Alright. Last but not least, let's grab this guy. Let's see if I can prop you guys up anywhere at all. That's all there is to it. Let's crank the AC on. Still got airflow. I think we're ready to rock and roll. Now, this sticker, like I said, will remind people, especially after you sell the vehicle off, they're like, oh, thank you very much. It's a K&N. I never have to buy another one in my life. No, you do not. And this sticker will add about 10 horsepower to your vehicle. No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to put this right here. There. Here, somebody drops this glove box to replace it. Oh, we don't have to. Just got to clean it. Alright guys, I want to thank you for watching. Air smells better, smells fresher. Actually, it really does. That filter was kind of nasty. So, thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time. Something I just wanted to add at the end of this video, a little bit about K&N. I originally purchased the K&N Typhoon air intake setup for my 2015 Accord, which is a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. It was the same concept as me buying a cabin air filter. I was timed to buy a new filter, and I was like, okay, yeah, I can buy a Fram or an STP or whatever's out there. There's a bunch of brands out there. But I was like, you know what, no. I want something a little bit more. I want to hear my car a little bit more, whatever it may be. So I put it in. It was like, I mean, it was obviously way more expensive than just the air filter. It was like $260 or something. Put it in, and instantly I knew a huge difference. I mean, wow. It sounded much throatier. The response time was much better. Gas mileage-wise, it depends. Am I driving like Jeff Gordon, or am I driving like a grandpa? Depending on which way I'm driving, yeah, I might see a boost in it. Okay, a mile or two here and there, yeah, I can save some money over the course of a year. It's not that impressive on that sense, because I do a lot of freeway driving, so it's a lot of gunning it, a lot of steady, slow pace speed, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I can definitely see a fuel increase on that end, but moreover, it was a performance increase for me. I don't want a rice burner. I don't want this annoying vehicle go down the road at 4 a.m. Like, what are you doing? No, I just want my car to sound normal, maybe a little throatier when I get into it. I want to hear it. That's about it. That's all, and that's exactly what it did, and it did the job for me. As far as the cabin filter goes, sure, I could have went and bought a Fram Fresh Breeze or some $14 STP one, or had the dealership put it in. Why? Okay. I don't have to buy another filter now, and I've had, I don't know how many K&N filters in my lifetime, because I've had so many different vehicles. I've never been disappointed. It's a good brand. It's a good product. Good company. No, this video is not sponsored. It's not nothing like that. I'm just voicing my opinion. If you guys agree, you want to see something different. Otherwise, if you have a different brand that say, hey, there's brand X, whatever it might be, put it down below. I'd like to hear about it because Canon's really all I knew about it, short of your throwaways like Fram and STP and whatever have you. But if there's something else out there, let me know. I'd like to look into them. I'm never partial to just one thing. That's it. I've just been, I don't want to say loyal. That's all I've ever bought for my cars. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. That's about it. If you want to see something else, let me know. If you think maybe the frames are better, whatever you want to call it, let me know. Let me know. Tell me down below. That's fine. I'll take it. But that's about it. Have a good one. See you guys next time.